Hey everyone, Phil from 3DP UK Tech Channel. Today we are taking a look at the LiberNovo Omni ergonomic chair that I am sitting in doing my editing for this video, and also what I do my reviews for these 3D printers and laser machines. Now, as you know, sitting at a desk can be really painful. So this LiberNovo Omni chair is definitely an advancement on your standard office chairs. LiberNovo reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to take a look at this chair and see whether it fit into my work plan and into my office. And I have to admit, having used this for the last 2 or 3 weeks, it has been a game changer. And in this video, we're going to take a quick look at what features this chair has and what type of things that is going to benefit you when you're sitting at the desk for long periods of time. We will go over how easy it was to unbox and build, and I'll show a quick video on that, and then we'll go over some of the key features that you are going to get with this Omni chair. And I have to say, from the offset, it has to be a go-to ergonomic chair. And we're going to take a look at the unboxing and the build now, and then we're going to go over the key features of this chair. So stay with us. This is the LiberNovo Omni ergonomic chair. So I hear you all ask, what is an ergonomic chair and how is it going to benefit me by having one? Well, LiberNovo have created this Omni chair based on all of the key features that are going to provide you with a comfortable experience, especially if you're sat at the desk like I am doing editing for my videos for my channel. And I need to be sat here for sometimes a few hours at a go. So I need something that is going to provide me with that really great experience. And the LiberNovo team have definitely provided that with this Omni chair. And some of the key features we're going to cover now. So the first point is this backrest for your back, which is obviously the most important part of a seating experience. You are going to feel a lot of pain if you don't have that comfortable experience. And they have done this with this adaptive backrest. It has 8 flexible panels, 14 dual link points and 18 ball joints, which is going to deliver you a controlled flexibility and stable and dynamic spinal support. You would have seen earlier on in the video exactly what you're getting from that, and that, I have to say, when you sit back, it feels great. Now, if you're leaning over to talk to someone, the backrest follows you. And if you've dropped something on the floor, it also drops down to that left hand and right hand side, and it still supports your back perfectly. The next thing that they have covered is the shoulder part. So the backrest also supports your shoulders. You always want to make sure that your arms are hanging naturally and your elbows are a 90 degree. And resting on these armrests, which are capable of moving backwards and forwards and lowering down, so you don't feel uncomfortable at any point in your experience. And the seat height is important by providing that comfortable experience when sitting as well. You also need to make sure your feet are flat on the ground to provide that really comfortable experience. With this particular package that LiberNovo sent me, they did also send me the footrest, which can provide a simple foot-on experience, but also a higher resting point so you can lean the chair right back and just take half an hour to gather your thoughts. And you also have that automatic back movement. It's going to provide you with a nice simple back massage at the same time, which I have used a number of times, and I have to admit it is a great feature. You always want to make sure your eyes are pointing straight forward and providing you with that ergonomic design and making you feel comfortable throughout the whole of your seating experience as well. And with this headrest being able to move up and down and backwards and forwards, you're always going to make sure your neck is supported along with your head. So there's some of the key features that LiberNovo have covered on this Omni chair. And everything that you do on this is super simple to actually activate and move. So here we have the Bionic Flexi Fit backrest. It has 8 panels with this adaptive spinal support. And when sitting on this completely molds into your back, as you can see, at any angle, whether you're leaning to the side or completely moving back, it is always going to have your back at its full support. And for me, this definitely sets it out against some of its rival competitors. And for me, this whole experience of the backrest has been an absolute pleasure, and I have had no issues with any of my reviews of feeling uncomfortable at the end of that experience. So another key feature is the electric lumbar support, which has precision motorized lumbar support control, and it is all simply controlled by this armrest here. Now you have the automatic button, or you can just adjust it to exactly your comfort requires. So let's push on the automatic and see exactly what this chair provides. As you can see, the lumbar support moves up and the whole of the chair ergonomically changes. And this provides a really comfortable experience while sitting for long periods of time. And this is all completely controlled with a battery pack, which is on the left hand side of the chair. And we're going to take a quick look at that now. So as you can see, the battery pack is found on the left hand side of the chair and can just simply be pulled out and charged with a USB-C cable. And that is provided with the actual chair itself. Simply putting it back into its location and clicking into place, you have the ability to turn that back on and keep your comfort at all times. As you can see here, it moves upwards and downwards and changing the style of the chair and the comfort it provides. So with the LiberNovo Omni chair, you do have 4 positions that you can move into. And each time you do that, you always feel comfort. And I'm going to basically display how that feels in motion. So you have the first position, so 4 positions in total. The first position being the upright position, and the position you most likely will use when working at your desk or in a normal environment. But then you do have the next position. Just by clicking the side handle into the next position, you can lean back. And with this headrest as well, you always feel like you've got that support. So that's the first position. The second position is a slightly more reclined position than the first one, and that feels super comfortable. And it also doesn't feel like it's unsteady or you feel like you're going to tip over at any moment. Now the test will be at its almost vertical position, which is the final and the 4th position of the Omni chair. Now I know that having used some ergonomic chairs that do have this reclining feature, you do also feel like it's very unsteady and you're likely to tip over, and a lot of them do feel like they are going to do that. And I have tested this out a few times now, and I can safely say I feel super comfortable and really relaxed in this final and 4th position. So let's do that now, and then we're going to lock it back. And with your footrest as well, that is a super comfortable position, and I don't feel like it has been in any way, shape or form, the integrity of the stability of the chair has been compromised by this 4th and final position. And as you can see, it's almost a sleeping position, not quite vertical, but almost, and it's super comfortable. And with the massaging features on the side as well, you can adjust the lumbar support at the back just to make yourself feel super comfortable. And if you want a massage feature, you can also press the automatic and it basically moves up and down. Slightly uncomfortable in this almost vertical position, but nonetheless really, really nice. Nice and easy to pull up into the upright position, and then once you're in that position, lock it in place just by using this little handle on the side, and then you've got the adjustment to raise it and lower the chair. Super simple to use this Omni chair from LiberNovo. I have to say, really impressed with the features that it has given me throughout this initial testing on this ergonomic chair. So let's go on to the final recap. So that pretty much covers the LiberNovo Omni ergonomic chair in this review video, and I have to say my overall opinion on the LiberNovo Omni has been amazing. It has to be one of the most comfortable seating experiences I have had, and to be honest with you, given the type of work that I have to do with the reviews, etc., having this comfortable experience encourages me to bring out more reviews to the channel, and this is all really just for this comfortable seating experience. And the LiberNovo Omni team have definitely covered all of those key features as I've shown throughout this video. So if you haven't already done so, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, 3DP UK Tech channel. And I'm going to leave a links in the description to be able to purchase this LiberNovo Omni chair. And they do have the Pro version, which this particular one isn't, but the Pro version does have that airflow underneath the seat, which is going to keep you very cool. And if you are there for a long period of time sitting, that is going to make you feel even more comfortable. So they've even covered some extra features on the Pro version. So with the footrest and the ergonomic chair, I have to say LiberNovo have smashed it out of the park with this Omni chair. And I am definitely going to be using this for the rest of my time on this channel. So thank you for watching. I'm Phil from 3DP UK Tech channel, and this has been the LiberNovo Omni ergonomic chair, and I have to say it's super comfortable. Thanks for watching.